Welcome to very important donut chart with a separator where you are able to represent your data with a donut form and with a separator indicator which will visualize you how much it is completed. You are able to view it like this. This is a project A, B and C. You are able to recognize by some separator that this much portion is completed. Like we will check if this is completed to 1000. It will automatically get changed. If it is completed to 600, we get the percentage the change. So learn how to do this. Let's begin this. So I have this my raw data here where I have this project A budget actual, the percentage is actual divided by budget. I will get the percentage for balance is 1 minus this. I will get this. Now let's start how to make it. Here I first insert the blank donut chart. I just click on it. Then it's a donut chart. I just remove this. Insert again. I think has blank donut chart. I think he has by default taken this data. I think I have to select data and remove all the things which he is by default taking because I required blank donut chart. When I click on add data series, I click add. My series name is series. My series value is this 20. Instead of this I can also type 111 but it's a time consuming here, so just I press OK. So I get this one small series chart with some separator. I don't require this, I don't require this series name. I will press it OK. Now I just select this series and make it a solid fill, and I want this right now first would be a blue color. Now my separator is ready. I now want the project A data to be captured in this side. So just for capturing that, right click on any chart, then select data. Now I want to add this data, then I have to click the add. If you want to add it, you can do that. If you want to remove, you can do that. So right now I add more data here. I will click on add. My series name is project A. Now my series value is percentage done and percentage balance. As soon as click OK, I have now two series with the values here with all the axes are on this axis. So here you are able to view that these are two separate forms, but I just want this to be project data in that separator series. So for that I have to just change the chart type. I have to go to that combo chart. Here again I have to change the series to donut. Here donut. Now see, here's the chart is here. I want my project A to be highlighted. I will select on the secondary axis. So by this means the series is behind that. We will use that for making that separator. I just click OK. Now I get only the projected data, but series is behind. So viewing of that, double click that percentage done. I will click no fill. I will able to highlight the series data. Now I will double click that percentage balance. I will include a solid fill, make it a white color and make a transparency 25 percentage. Done. So here I have got this data. I will add the chart title. I will make it a project A. So in that, instead of this, it's better because it make my chart slower. I will better to have by manually. So I want also the percentage done here. So I will go to the insert illustration shapes. I will get this text shape. I will insert this, and here I will go to the is equal to sign and go to that percentage done. I will go to the home, go to size 20%. It is not done, now done, bold, and will make the size same as a blue color. Just increase its size to include the percentage. My first chart is done. I will just make it smaller so that other chart will be covered inside. So my first donut chart is done. I just increase further sign so that percentage will be covered. Make it in the center. Now my first row, let me check whether it's working or not. 500. Yes, I will get the report. Now I want my second chart here. I will go to the same method, insert, just click on blank cell, insert, go to this donut chart. This is my blank donut chart. I will go to add my series here, right click, select data, add my series is this series name. I can also manually add the series like 1 1 1 1 20 times, but this is time consuming, so I will select this series, click OK, remove this legends, remove this series name, make it color as solid fill, change it to this color which I want right now. I want this project B data. Same way, right click, select data. I will go to add data. I will add project B data here. So this project B, sorry, I think I have done some, I have to add the series name as project B and series value as 60 to 40%. Now this chart is ready, but still I want to combine it. For that I will just right click, change chart type. I will go to that combo. Here I will go is to the donut chart. Same way I will convert into the donut chart, go into the secondary axis, click OK. Now my work is done. I just want it to be changed as size to be changed. So I will just right click on the my percentage done, click on a no fill, then balance, percentage balance. I will click at a solid fill and color as white, increase the transparency to 25%. My percentage done is 1. I will copy paste also this and use it in this chart. I think I can't use because this is a part. I will go to insert, illustration, shape, just click. I will select, go to the cell and click at 60%, click OK, home, make the size 20%, bold, size to 20%, and make it the same color as this. My work done. So I have got the two charts right now. One is for 60%. I will just make it in the center. Just go to the shape outline and have it no outline, so that it become a part of this. I will make it in the center. Also I have to make it a shape no fill so that it will not come in behind of anything. So my two charts are ready. I can also prepare third chart. I have to check my percentage battery here. So this way you can prepare the third chart. Third chart we can also copy paste the format. I go by fast and I will tell you how to do that. Just go to the donut. I will go the donut. I just add the series, right click, select data. I will select add data. My series name is this, comma, my series value is this. I will select this series, click OK. I will now add the series as project C. I will click on this. My project is this. My series value for this project is this. You will able to see that I have not done any formatting right now for this chart. So also in the chart we can copy one format and paste into the rest. Let's see. So this is my one chart. I just copy it. I will select the another chart where I want the copy the format is. I just go in home. I go to the paste special. There is an option called format. And I just click OK. See, my third chart is ready. My more activity has been removed. Now I have to just change the color of this series. So I have to select the series. For that I go to the format here. I have to select this series, otherwise I will not able to select from here. I will go to that control 1 chart format, and the shape fill I will change its color to the blue color. So and also this is not copy. This third chart is ready without any time. I just go to the home, insert, and then the shape. I will add the percentage. I will go to the is equal to and then click 91%. Same way increase it the size to 20. Again I have to do, I don't know why it is being taking this. I will get the 91%. Make it color same as which is my donut chart. So you can also adjust the length and make it wherever you want it to be. So this way you can make your this type of, let me check whether it's working on. If it's completed 700, it's completed. If it is completed 300, this is just change. So you can prepare your chart like this. You can also remove the border of this, which is the formatting part. You will say no outline so that it will become a part of this. If I click on that, you will see it's not covered. You can also remove this at the time. I will also show you how to do that. Just format, no outline, just for this chart, shape format, no outline. So my 3 charts are ready. Circle progress. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.